Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here from Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2018 Ram 3500 Laramie. Stock number 28226T. This is a 6.7 Cummins single rear wheel diesel truck with a Aisin transmission, an Aisin 6-speed. White in color. Let's have the nice body lines up here in the hood. Big, huge chrome grille. Really stands out with that huge chrome bumper. I'm a huge fan of chrome. Tow hooks here in the front. Front sensors here. I really like the white on chrome. Nice chrome wheels. These are 22s in size. Sorry, 20s. And again, this is a single rear wheel 6.7 Cummins with an Aisin transmission, Aisin 6-speed. Tow mirrors. These fold right out. Got the turning signals in the mirrors as well. Chrome door handles with the chrome trim on the side. Got a lot of chrome going on here. Power folding mirrors. Power windows and locks. Power seats with memory control settings. This is premium Mopar leather here. Has Laramie etched in the seat. Let me get up in here real quick. Sunroof. A lot of top of the line features in this one. Wood grain on the doors. A lot of chrome accents on the inside as well. They really carried that chrome over. 8.4-inch touchscreen radio. Wood grain up here as well. Premium Alpine stereo in this. These things rock. We got climate controls, heated and ventilated seats, trailer brake, four-wheel drive. This thing's loaded. Tilt wheel. We got the cruise control settings here, gauge cluster controls here, as well as your voice recognition for your phone. You can literally control anything from your phone from your steering wheel. Also, your radio can be controlled from your steering wheel as well. Back side of the steering wheel here, you got your preset controls as well as your volume on the other side. It's a beautiful truck. Probably one of my favorite on the lot. Pretty spacious here in the back. Now this is a mega cab, so here in the back you got reclining seats. It's always nice to be a rear passenger and to be comfortable. Show you that. These seats also do, oops, I don't know if I can get it, fold completely flat. So if you ever did need to get anything that you didn't want to, put in the back and get wet, there's plenty of space back here in the back. Also got some storage containers that's going to go the full length of the behind the seat here. Grocery hooks or whatever kind of bag you want to put them there. I say groceries would be a good place to put them. Heated rear seats as well. So the back seats are heated. They really want a lot of comfort here for your passengers. Chrome rear bumper. Equipped to tow right off the rip. Backup camera. Got the spray-in bed liner, and it's already set up for a fifth wheel. see where there's actually pucks that cover those if you don't want to use it. But the fifth wheel just bolts right in. It's pretty nice. Very clean, nice bright white. Can't stress how much that chrome sets it off. Again, this is a 2018 Ram 3500 Laramie Mega Cab. Stock number 28226T. My name is Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today, or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.